Model, 66-plate Ford Transit Custom 2.2TD 125PS 290 limited front-wheel drive L2 top spec spares OR repairs simple repair bargain open mouth smile. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 119067. MOT, the 22nd of November 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.212PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Simple and easy repair for these 2.2 engines open mouth smile. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Lovely grey color high roof van open mouth smile. Features, 1